So, welcome to this little exhibition in the basement of the Mercedes-Benz Museum. This here is a safety car, an official safety car for the Formula 1. It's from the year 2000 and it's a Mercedes-Benz CL 55AMG. Let's take a look. Beautiful car. Safety car. So, and here we have another safety car, official Formula 1 safety car to be more precise. This here is a Mercedes-Benz CLK 55AMG. CLK is the short little coupe based on the C-Class. Well, actually not this short, but yeah, it is short. At least shorter than the one I showed you before. This one is actually the one I would like to call the short one, because this is a SLK 55AMG, again an official Formula 1 safety car. Look at this. This is actually a roadster, because you can open the roof. Most probably not with these lights. Don't think this will work. This here is also a CLK, an official Formula 1 safety car. It is from 1998. So more than 20 years old and looking like new. Probably also not used very much. But isn't it beautiful? Ah, nice. For some reason I'm thinking that the official Formula 1 safety cars from Mercedes-Benz are always AMG 55s, because this is one too. This is a Mercedes-Benz SL 55AMG. So, see here, 55AMG, the same as here, 55AMG. This one is not a safety car, but it is also a 55AMG, CLS 55AMG. Let's take a look behind the curtain. Very nice.